President of the Senate, distinguished SP, confirmation of appointment of Chairman and Commissioners of the Federal Character Commission. In accordance with the provisions of Section 154, subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, I am pleased to present for confirmation by the Senate the underlisted 39 names of nominees, as one as a chairman and others as commissioners of Federal Character Commission, FCC, as follows. Honorable Mrs. Ayo Uluyat Omidiran from Osun State as chairman. Honorable Obinna Oriaku, Abia State, as commissioner. Mrs. Bema Madai Adamawa as commissioner. Mrs. Eunice Thomas Akwa Ibom State as commissioner. Honorable Noli Nkechi Gloria, PhD, Anambra State, as commissioner. Babangida Adamu Buana of Bauchi as commissioner. Sir Toye Okio from Bayelsa State as commissioner. Alegba Eugene Takende, Benue State, as commissioner. Engineer Modu Mustafa, Borno State, as commissioner. Dr. Stella Ode Ebo, Cross River State, as commissioner. Ederin Lovett Idisi from Delta State, as commissioner. Barrister Nwopo Vincent Nduka, Ebonyi State, as commissioner. Honorable Chief Victor Sabo Edoro, Edo State, as commissioner. Honorable Shola Fokanle, Ekiti State, as commissioner. Peter Eze of Enugu State, as commissioner. Ibrahim Baba Mairiga of Gombe State, as commissioner. Honorable Jerry Alagbaso of Imo State, as commissioner. Lara Yao Roni. I don't know why it is shortened to renewal. Jigawa State, as commissioner. Ruth Jumai Ango of Kaduna State, as commissioner. Muhammad Awar Naya of Kano, as commissioner. Honorable Anas Isa, Katsina State, as commissioner. Okay. Abubakar Atiku Bunu, another renewal, KB State, as commissioner. Bello Idris Eneye, Kogi State, as commissioner. Dr. Ibrahim Abdullahi, Kwara State, as commissioner. Abdul Wasiu Kayode Bawahala, is a renewal from Lagos State, as commissioner. Halima Jabiru Amadu, Nasarawa State, commissioner. Alhaji Isa Jibrin. Alhaji Isa Jibrin, Niger State, as commissioner. Honorable Kayode Oladele, Ogun State, as commissioner. Comrade Ajimoda Bola, Ondo State, as commissioner. Mr. Eludayo Eluyemi Osun State, this is renewal as Commissioner. Prince Ayodeji Abbas Alashin Loye, Oyo State, as Commissioner. Honorable Pam Botman of Plateau State as Commissioner. Aaron Chukwuemeka, River State, as Commissioner. Alhaji Aminu Tamba T, Sokoto State, as Commissioner. Comrade Boboy Bala Kaikama, Taraba State, as Commissioner. Honorable Jibe Maigari, Yobe State, as Commissioner. Sani Garuba, Zamfara State, as Commissioner. And Solomon Ayuba Dagami, FCT, as Commissioner. Whilst hoping that the Senate will consider and confirm the appointment of the chairman and members of the FCC, please accept the distinguished Senate President and distinguished senators the assurances of my highest consideration. Yours sincerely, signed, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is referred to the Committee on Federal Character and Intergovernmental Affairs to report back to the Senate in 2 weeks.